Android fans, this is Eric from hollywoodfrodo.com with another video in the Android car tablet tutorial series. Now in this video I'm just going to be showing you my tablet in use, just so you can get some ideas of the different things that I've done with my tablet, different things you can do with yours. Some of these are going to be things that I've done videos for already that you'll see in action, and others are things that I'm going to be covering in future videos. And you'll also see things that maybe don't work so great when you buy a cheap tablet. My tablet is the Asus 7-inch cheap tablet, paid about $100 for it. Only has 1 gig of RAM and the processor's like 1.3 gigahertz, so not a great processor. So some things don't work all the time on it the way I would like it to. And if I had to buy it again, I would probably put another $100 in it and into it and buy a little bit nicer one with a faster processor and more RAM. But hey, you work with what you got, right? So that's it for this. I'm just going to hop over. I'm going to show you a bunch of different footage of me in my car with my tablet in action, so you can see different things that it does.
There you are. I was starting to get worried. Everything is active and ready to go for you. Hey Eric, I'm glad to see you. It gets lonely out here by myself. System is active and ready for you. Hey there, please drive safe and let me know if you need anything. Hey Eric, I'm glad to see you. It gets lonely out here by myself. System is active and ready for you.
There is a little bit of a lag when you first start up, because what's happening, I crank up my car, my phone connects to my car's Bluetooth. That triggers a task on my phone to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. That has to go through the process of getting activated, and after that gets activated, then my tablet will connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot. But that process does take a few seconds, so until that's done, there's certain things on your tablet you can't use, obviously, things that need data. But once that's done and your Wi-Fi hotspot is on in your phone and your tablet's connected to that Wi-Fi hotspot, then you can continue to use your tablet with things that need data. Okay Google, navigate to 6311 Larchwood Drive in Huntington Beach, California.
Navigating to 6311 Larchwood Drive, Huntington Beach.
Okay Google, playlist Christmas Pentatonics. So I want to show you what happens. Obviously my stereo is on my auxiliary jack, and so if I get a text message to my phone, I want to be able to not only see it on my tablet, but also want to be able to hear it. So I want my phone to interrupt my connection and play the text message.
New text from Google Voice. It reads, "O-K-A-Y, I'll be there."
So you can see I have it set so not only do I see my text message on my tablet, but I also have any text message that comes through my phone will override whatever I'm listening to, whether I'm on my tablet or if I'm listening to satellite radio or FM radio. It will interrupt that and play the voice message, and I do that using Tasker and Auto Voice plugin. Okay, Google, send a text message to Linda Rye.
New text to Linda Rye via mobile. What would you like to say?
Hey Mom, comma, how was your Thanksgiving? Question mark.
Message to Linda Rye reads, Hey Mom, how was your Thanksgiving? Shall I send?
Add to it.
Okay, what would you like to say next?
Mine was great! Exclamation point. We went swimming.
Your message to Linda right now reads, Hey Mom, how was your Thanksgiving? Mine was great. We went swimming. Shall I send?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Do you want to send the message?
Yes.
Sending your message to Linda right.
Okay, Google. Navigate to the post office.
Touch the one you want. Head west on California 1 North toward North Gladys Avenue.
Okay, Google. Open the app Torque.
Opening up.
Okay, Google. Call Google Voice.
Would you like to call Google Voice on their mobile phone?
Yes.
Calling.
To access your account, please enter your PIN, followed by the pound key.
So you can see I gave my command to my tablet, but then it sent the command over to my phone to make the phone call. Same thing happens when I text. I'm texting, obviously my tablet can't text because it's only a phone can text, but I create the text through voice through my tablet, and then it sends that information, when I'm done, sends that information over to my phone to actually send the text message. Okay, Google. Launch the app Torque.
Opening up.
Okay, Google. What's traffic like?
Showing traffic for Seal Beach.
Okay, Google. Play music. by Gavin DeGraw.
Playing Gavin DeGraw.
Of course, with 1 gigabyte of RAM, a lot of times OK Google doesn't work the way it should work. At least not on this tablet. On my phone, my old Samsung Galaxy 3 phone and my new phone, OK Google works no matter what app I'm in, even if music is playing, etc., etc. But on this phone, this tablet, I don't think it does the best of managing RAM, so sometimes OK Google isn't running when another app is open. It should be. So I just created a quick shortcut via Tasker to be able to launch it automatically just by rising up. Launch the app Audible.
Opening up.
OK Google, open the app Newsbeat.
Opening up.
Good morning, I'm Brian.
And I am Leslie.
Here is your traffic update. An accident is reported at CA 91. The temperature outside is 57 degrees and light fog. The forecast for the day is mostly cloudy. No chance of precipitation with a high of 72 degrees and a low of 50 degrees.
OK Google, new text message to Google Voice.
New text to Google Voice via mobile. What would you like to say?
Hello, comma, what time are you coming over? Question mark.
Message to Google Voice reads, "Hello, what time are you coming over? Shall I send it?"
Change it.
OK, I have erased the message. What would you like to say to Google Voice?
Hey, comma, you better be here by 6 p.m.
Message to Google Voice reads, "Hey, you better be here by 6 p.m. Shall I send it?"
Send it.
Sending your message to Google Voice.
Good morning, I'm Brian.
And I am Leslie.
Here is your traffic update. An accident is reported.
Goodbye, sir. Don't forget to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. Goodbye, sir. Don't forget to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot on your own media device.
So I have it set up so that when I turn off my car, this little pop-up comes up. If I tap it, it'll disappear, or it'll disappear automatically after about a minute. That's because I have to remember to turn my OBD2 device off, since it has an on-off switch. And also, when I get into my car, my phone automatically turns on hotspot so that my tablet gets data through my phone's data plan through the hotspot. But my phone has a bug in it. It's the new Droid Turbo. Hopefully they'll fix it. But right now, a third-party app like Tasker can turn the hotspot on, but it can't turn it off. So I have to remember to turn it off manually myself and turn Wi-Fi back on. So I have that reminder to remind me. And then I also have the tablet player reminder. That happens through the alarm sound profile, so that I can hear it even though my car is off, and obviously it's not going through my stereo system. So as you can see there, that's my tablet in action. A lot of cool different things that it does. Some things don't always work the way I want them to, but that's just life with any Android device pretty much. You're gonna, you run into issues and you try to figure them out. And there are some limitations based on the tablet you're using. In my tablet, there are just some things that it's probably never going to do quite as great as I want them to, but I figure out other ways around it or other things that I can do instead. Anyway, hopefully that gave you a good idea of what a car tablet will look like in practice if you are thinking about buying a tablet and turning it into a car infotainment system for yourself. And again, there are things I haven't covered yet, but I will be covering in future videos, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so that you can keep up with future videos in this series. You can also check out all my other video series. I've got a Tasker tutorial series, learning how to do a lot with Tasker. Will help you out with your car tablet as well as your phone. And Android app review series, where I review the best apps for Android, as well as product review series, where I review cool electronics and kitchen appliances and household products and all kinds of fun things. Also, if you have a dog, check out my dog product series as well. Anyway, that is it until next time, so have fun with your Android car tablets.